Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla TV, and welcome to our detailed breakdown of the Dainese Ladies SF Leather Jacket. I have Kat wearing the black-white version to my left. There's also a black version available. This is a non-perforated jacket from Dainese. It's a big step up for the ladies over something that would be more entry-level like the Cage, and to step up from the SF, you go into something like the Bonny or the Nikita. Now, the SF offers you a lot of aggressive sports style functionality. There is a 360 zip. You can zip it together with any of the ladies' Dainese pants. But if we look at the external piece on here, the first thing that jumps out is it's made of D-skin leather, which is Dainese's proprietary high-end tanning process that adds tensile strength and tear resistance to the leather. So it's going to be more safe, and the leather has actually a unique Dainese-only finish to it. The other piece you're going to notice, other than the style, is that we have dimpled leather. They're not perforation, but we have CE-rated proprietary Dainese armor in the shoulders, as well as the elbows and forearm. And as always, you can upgrade the back protector on this guy. It'll take any G1 back protector in the Dainese line. Working from the front and moving our way down, 2 Dainese branded buttons, a YKK zipper, 2 light hand warmer pockets. The cuffs on this guy are going to be basic zipper cuffs with a slate gaiter behind it and a Velcro strap. And then notice also one of the distinguishing factors of the SF for both men's and women's is this reflective piping that's going to come down on the inside of each arm. You can also start to see that there's an S1 stretch panel that doesn't go the full length of the arm, but it goes under the armpit, allow you to breathe, allow some airflow to come in there, cool in there. Being that it's not a perforated jacket, there's always some welcomed airflow just to keep some of the air moving from inside this jacket. Kat, turn and face the side for me. If we look at the top or the side, top down, you're going to notice the double-stitched embossed Dainese logo for style. You can see the back of this S1 stretch panel. Turn backwards for me, Kat. You can see the back here. This is on my Nissan. I have a 2010 Nissan. It's my favorite back to any Dainese jacket, which is going to be the reflective backed Dainese embossed logo. Notice a rolled dimple collar. And the other thing I want to talk about is these expansion panels here at the hip. So this is a women's specific jacket, and depending on the position you are on the bike or depending on your build, the way your hips are shaped, you have some adjustability there. Again, this is ladies specific. The cut is totally different from the guy's jacket. Come back around for me, Kat. The last thing I want to touch on with this SF jacket is going to be the 3D bubble liner. Inside this jacket, touching your skin or touching whatever shirt you're wearing underneath are going to be the really tiny 3D almost bubbles or cutouts that create a pattern, and they trap pockets of air. And what that air does, it does a better job of letting heat and moisture evaporate off of you in the summer, and does a better job of trapping some hot air in the coat in the cooler riding conditions. It really creates a microclimate within the coat. This is Dainese's upgraded liner versus something that would be a basic mesh or even a silver ion mesh. The bubble liner is the premier liner for any of their leather jackets. So if you have any questions about the SF for ladies, shoot us a line. See us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455. You can find it at RevZilla.com/Dainese. As always, it's over $39. It ships for free. If you get the wrong size, fire it back to us. We'll exchange it for free. If you just don't like it, send it back in brand new, unworn condition with the tags. We'll give you 100% back to your card. There's never a restock fee at RevZilla.com. And you can always earn TeenZilla cash over anything, any order over $100, and that's money to be applied to your next order as part of our loyalty program for continuing to help you save by shopping with us in the longer term. Thanks for watching our detailed breakdown of the Dainese SF Ladies Leather Jacket, available at RevZilla.com/Dainese. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.